And we're talking about in public companies now. When you invest, you're actually buying a share of the company. So when you invest and you buy a target as a stock, that stock actually represents a piece of ownership of the company. Now, so you are a part owner. I'm a part owner of Target. I'm a part owner of Apple. Now, it's important to realize that you're a really, really small part. So don't kind of walk in the Apple store acting like you own the place, because you and like a couple tens of millions of people also own a piece of Apple, and you're not like the owner. Right? So make sure you relax a little bit when you go into the store. But when you do go in there and you buy something, you are paying yourself, and you have that relationship. And that goes back to this idea of being a long-term investor. When you're investing in something that's going to pay you, you have to give it time, right? For me, investing means, putting your money into a company that you believe is going to do well in the long run. If you're buying today and selling tomorrow, or you're looking to get in and out in something measured in days or weeks, maybe you're day trading, maybe you're, some other type of investor, or just a trader, and to each his own, not my bag, but I don't consider that investing. That's trading. That's that's getting closer to gambling, because the world just changes too fast. But over time, things tend to work out. Mm-hmm.
Can you please explain the difference from short-term investing and long-term investing?
Yeah. So again, when you talk about short-term investing, you buy a stock and you're hoping that something happens in the next minutes, some people, hours, days, weeks. You're really trying to take advantage of some movement in the stock because of something that you expect is going to happen in a short run. And that's really guessing. When you're an investor, you're looking, you're not asking what Target, for example, is going to do in the next hour. Like if I ask all of you that, Target, what's going to happen to Target next hour? You're like, I don't know. I don't know. But if I say to you, do you think Target's going to be around a year from now? You're like, absolutely. There's no way that thing is going anywhere, right? And so that starts to be the basis for investing, where you're starting to think about what's going to be the long-term picture for this stock. A perfect example, maybe is last year, I guess it was almost 2 years ago in 2020, I guess, when the pandemic hit, and stocks dropped. They dropped a lot, and they dropped fast. And if you were a short-term trader, there was a good chance that you lost a lot of money because stocks went down. You probably weren't able to hold them. If you were someone who on January, you invested in 2019, you invested a bunch, and then you come back December 2019, it would be like nothing happened. You're like, what's the big, other than everybody's wearing a mask now, and you got to explain that stuff. But from a stock market standpoint, it took that big lumps, and then it just moved forward. All you had to do was be patient. Sometimes the best thing to do in investing is do nothing. And it's surprising how hard it is for people to just do nothing sometimes.